Welcome to the Workstair video guides. In this video, we'll show you how to efficiently manage re-invoicing. Let's dive in. Invoices mainly reissued for various reasons. Perhaps due to incorrect pricing or late submission of the invoice, or when a customer's accounting period has already closed. Re-invoicing solves the issues by re-invoice the correct invoice. Let's get started. The process begins by creating a credit note from the original invoice. To do this, go to the invoice. Click Create Credit Note from the Action menu and enable the re-invoicing option before saving the credit note. Next, when you need to issue the re-invoice, go to the credit note, and on the details page, you'll see the Create Re-Invoice button. Simply click it to create the re-invoice. Alternatively, if you are creating a new invoice from scratch, enable the re-invoicing option. This will display all available credit notes marked for re-invoicing. From the list, you can select one or more credit notes. Proceed to re-invoice creation. Review the details. Make any necessary adjustments. And finally save. Once done, you can see all re-invoicing details on the invoice summary page. You can download and share it with your customer. Thank you for watching. If you need any additional clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.